Hello, welcome to my channel, and now I will show you how to turn off sound when you're typing on your Samsung keyboard. This is instruction for your Samsung A7, and you can use it also for Samsung A9 phone. So let's do it. Go to settings, now go to sounds and vibration. Now scroll down until you see keyboard sound and just simply turn it off. And there is no more sound when you typing on keyboard. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If it was useful for you, please like it, share it, and of course, please leave me the comment in comment section below. It means a lot to me. See you soon.